Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss about the menstrual cycle. Reproductive cycles of female primates is called menstrual cycle. Menstruation is the term given to the periodic discharge of blood tissue, fluid, and mucus from the reproductive organs of sexually mature females. The flow usually lasts for 3 to 6 days each month and is caused sudden reduction in the hormones estrogen and progesterone. The menstrual cycle begins when a female reaches the age of puberty. The first menstruation begun at puberty is called menarche. During the menstrual cycle, the uterus endometrium prepare itself for implantation of a fertilized egg. If fertilization does not occur, the uterus lining is shed from the body. Menstrual cycle repeated at an average interval of 28 plus minus 2 days. An ovum is released in the middle, usually 14 days of each menstrual cycle. Here we are going to discuss about the menstrual cycle has different phases with them. First is menstrual phase, bleeding period, follicular phase before the egg is released, ovulatory, egg is released, and luteal, that is after release of an egg. So here in the diagram, with the help of this diagram, we are going to discuss about the various phases. Number 1, menstrual phase. The menstrual flow results due to the breakdown of endometrium lining of uterus and its blood vessels that are discharged through vagina. The unfertilized egg and soft tissues are discharged. It lasts for 3 to 5 days. It occurs only if released ovum is not fertilized. Second, follicular phase, that is also called proliferative phase. The primary follicles in the ovary grow and becomes a fully mature Graafian follicle. The endometrium of the uterus is degenerated due to the secretion of LH and FSH from anterior pituitary and ovarian hormone estrogen. It lasts for about 10 to 14 days. The third phase, that is ovulatory phase, rapid secretion of LH leading to its maximum level during mid-cycle, that is called LH surge, induces rupture of Graafian follicles, thereby leading to the ovulation, means release of ovum. It lasts for only about 48 hours. Now next phase, that is luteal phase or secretory phase. In this phase, the ruptured follicle changes into corpus luteum in the ovary and it begins to secrete the hormone progesterone, which is essential for maintenance of endometrium. The endometrium thickens further and their gland secretes a fluid into the uterus. If ovum is not fertilized, the corpus luteum undergoes degeneration and this causes disintegration of the endometrium, leading to menstruation. Estrogen and progesterone levels rises during this phase. It lasts for only 10 to 14 days. This is all about the different phases of menstrual cycle. Now, if during pregnancy all events of the menstrual cycle stop and there is no menstruation, the menstrual cycle permanently stops in the female at the age of around 50 years, then this is called menopause.